What is up guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing some delicious mozzarella stuffed chicken breasts covered or wrapped in bacon. We're going to start off by preparing 4 potatoes. The serving of 4 or 5 potatoes. The serving is enough for about 3 people, and you can actually go ahead and start peeling the potatoes. Once that's complete, you can just place them in some boiling salty water. With the potatoes all done, we're going to start by placing a few streaks of bacon. Depending on the size of your chicken breast, just lay them out flat on whichever surface you are using to prepare them. Place a chicken breast in the middle. We can use a very sharp chef's knife, just score a line straight down the center, which we'll be using to stuff the mozzarella inside. You're going to want to use 2 fairly thick sticks of mozzarella to get a nice cheesy consistency. You can add some garlic olive oil to make sure the chicken does not dry out, even though the fat of the bacon will keep it nice and moisturized. We're going to add some black pepper, ground salt, and you can add any other seasoning which you'd like. After this, we will start folding the bacon. You can use whichever pattern you'd like. I just looked at it and actually found a way just to wrap it in nicely so it doesn't actually pull apart when you prepare it. From here on out, we're just going to add some more black pepper, and that's about it. The leftover bacon I'm using for the potato salad, we're just going to cut it up in nice small cubes, throw it in a pan with some oil, and get them nice and crispy to add as bacon bits inside the potato salad. With the bacon all complete, we're going to move on to the basting sauce for the chicken. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of garlic, some chili flakes, dried chili flakes. You can use fresh chili if you'd like as well, it's going to get a bit more burn, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and some delicious Moroccan rub. The Moroccan rub gives a nice zesty, also spicy flavor to it. I prefer them nice and spicy. You could use lemon and herb if you'd like as well. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a nice mix through, and there we go. We can use this to baste the chicken breasts with the bacon. Placing them in a baking container, we're actually going to start brushing up the marinade onto the chicken gently, making sure not to pull the bacon apart. As the bacon cooks, it'll actually tighten around the meat and will prevent you from actually pulling it apart once it's come out of the oven. We're going to place these in the oven now at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Moving on, we're going to have 4 stalks of Italian parsley, rolled up into a bunch, chop them up very finely. This is going to go into the potato salad. We're going to take a few pieces of chives, baby chives as well, and you can put in as much as you like depending on your flavor of onion. Cut them up nice into small pieces as well, and just mix it through with the parsley. We're going to go ahead and mix this into the potato salad to give it a nice herby flavor. The potato salad, we're also adding some condensed milk, about 4 tablespoons. It gives a nice sweet flavor to the potato salad, which actually complements the mayo as well. Furthermore, for the potato salad, we're going to use 1 to 2 pickles, depending on how sour you want the salad, or zesty. You could actually just add 1 or 2 pickles, chop them up nice and fine, and mix it through with the potatoes. Just going to go ahead, add them in. I like pickles quite a bit, so I add quite a few pickles to the mixture. Giving it all a gentle mix through, we're going to go ahead and place this inside the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. These are chicken breasts. They came out of the oven now. After 15 minutes, you can see the bacon went nice and crispy. And there we go. That's about it. You can go ahead and serve it up now. If you guys liked the video, please drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon too if you'd like to receive notifications on future videos.